In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to create an RGB glitch split effect that separates the red, green, and blue color channels of your video. This effect is commonly used in glitch edits, gaming videos, cyberpunk visuals, and stylized digital transitions. Let's get started. First, select your clip on the timeline. Now go to the effects panel and search for RGB split. Drag and drop the effect onto your clip. Next, open the Effect Controls panel. Here you'll see several controls that create the RGB split distortion. Start with horizontal split. Increasing this value separates the RGB channels horizontally and creates the classic side-to-side glitch effect. Next, adjust vertical split. This creates RGB separation vertically instead of horizontally. Now adjust depth split. This pushes the color channels apart in depth, creating a stronger, distorted digital appearance. Next, look at vertigo. This adds an additional warp distortion effect to the RGB separation. Now adjust channel shift. This shifts the RGB channels independently and creates stronger color distortion. Next, adjust feather. Feather softens the edges of the RGB split so the effect blends more smoothly. You can also adjust the position values if you want the distortion to focus around a certain area of the frame. Now, tweak the lightness value if you want the glitch effect to appear brighter. Then, adjust softness to smooth out the distortion even further. Finally, check the edge behavior option. Mirrored works well because it prevents empty edges from appearing during the split effect. Play the clip and experiment with these values until the RGB glitch effect looks the way you want, and that's it. You've successfully created an RGB glitch split effect using the RGB split effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.